Hello everyone, my name is Kavya. Today I'm going to talk about an interesting topic in data warehouse is time series data mining. First comes to the introduction. Time series data mining is a powerful technique used to analyze data points collected over time. By studying patterns and trends, we can make predictions and gain valuable insight, whether forecasting stock prices, predicting weather changes, or monitoring health data. Time series analysis helps in decision making across various fields. Next comes to the steps used in time series data mining. First step, data collection. The first step is gathering time dependence data from various sources like sensors, stock market, records, and weather stations. Second step is pre-processing. Since raw data offers contains missing values, noise, or pre-processing techniques such as smoothing, normalization, and stationality stationality transformations helps in preparing the data for further analysis. Third step is feature extraction. Identifying key trends, reducing patterns within the data helps improving model accuracy. The fourth step is model selection. Depending on the nature of the data, different forecast models are used. They are like ARIMA, Auto Regressive Integrated Moving Average, and next one is LSTM, long short term memory, or commonly applied. Fifth step is training and testing. The data is splitted into training and testing sets to evaluate model accuracy and ensure accuracy. The last step is evaluation. Evaluation means various metrics like mean absolute error and root mean square error helps measures the effectiveness of the selected model. Next comes to the numerical example. Here is the numerical example according to the time series for forecasting of the temperature. This means the given data is the past 7 days temperature in Celsius. Our goal is to predict the temperature on day 8 based on the past 7 data. Let us consider in the simple temperature predicting problem using time series data mining. In this numerical, we are using two methods. First one is moving average method and simple linear regression approach. In this moving average method, we can take any 3 days or 4 days of moving average method. So first I am taking only 3 days methods. So last 3 days are 5, 6, and 7. Fifth day is 28 degrees Celsius, and sixth day is 27 degrees Celsius, and seventh day is 26 degrees Celsius. According to the past 3 days, I am going to find out the day eighth day temperature. So temperature on 8th day is 28 plus 5th day plus 6th day plus 7th day by overall by 3. Then that is equals to 28 plus 27 plus 26 by 3 is equals to 81 by 3. Then I am predicting the temperature on day 8 is equals to 27. This is the method 1. And the method 2 is simple linear regression approach. This means according to the table, we observe that day 1 to day 7 the temperature is decreasing by -1. So if we assume that linear regression trends, we fit a linear to data point and predict the day 8. The pattern shows the drop of -1 per day over last few days. Using this pattern, temperature on day 8, using the temperature on day 7. So 26 minus 1 is equals to 25. Then the prediction of the temperature of day 8 is equals to 25. According to the two methods, the final answers are moving average is equals to 27 degrees Celsius and linear trends is equals to 25 degrees Celsius. Next comes to the applications of the time series data mining. First one is financial. Stock prices prediction. Time series data mining plays a crucial role in market prediction by analyzing the historical price patterns and forecasting future trends. It helps in financial analysis, marketing data decisions. These graphs represents the stock prices predictions using two different models are ARIMA and LSTM predictions. In this graph, the ARIMA is the red dashed line and the green line is the LSTM predictions. The blue line is the historical line predictions. ARIMA is the predicts the future value based on the past stocks prediction. LSTMA is the green dash that handles the long-term dependency and sudden changes in the stock. Next comes to the healthcare, patients monitoring. In healthcare, time series data mining plays a crucial role in patients monitoring hospitals. It means it collects a real-time data from sensors such as heartbeat rate and blood pressure and oxygen levels to track patients' heart over time. ARIMA can identify the trends in vital signals and detect signals, while LSTM model can predict potential health risk by analyzing past patterns. This helps doctor take easy action, improving patients' care. In this given graph, in this given graph, it shows the patient's heart rate monitoring using ARIMA. The ARIMA is the red dashed line and LSTM is the green dashed line. The blue line represents the historical heart rate data. This model helps a doctor analyzing past trends and predict potential health issues. Next comes to the weather forecasting, rainfall and temperature predictions. Time series data mining is widely used in weather forecasting to predict rainfall and temperature based on the historical patterns. ARIMA models helps to identifying trends in past weather data such as temperature fluctuation or seasonal rainfalls and variations. Meanwhile, LSTM models analyzes long-term dependency and capture complex patterns in climate change. Here is the graph shown that ARIMA is the red dashed lines and LSTM is the blue dashed lines. The blue dashed lines is the historical temperature data. This model helps in accurate weather forecasting, assigns in disasters and agriculture planning. Next comes to the business analysis sales forecasting. This means for sales forecasting is the key application of time series data mining, helping business predict future sales based on historical data. ARIMA model analyzes the past sales trends and seasonality to generate short-term forecasting, while LSTM models learn complex patterns and long-term dependency to provide more accuracy predictions. Here is the graph that shows the sales forecasting using ARIMA as the red dashed line and LSTM is the green dashed line and the blue line is the represents the historical sales data. This model helps businesses predict future sales, better innovation management and financial planning. Next comes to the advantages and disadvantages. First comes to the advantages, helps in forecasting and decision making. This means time series data mining helps for predict future trends by studying past data. Next, detects trends and seasonal patterns. This means it finds patterns in data over a particular time and helps industries predict demands using resources widely and plans better applicable in various fields. This means it is time series data mining is more applicable or used in multiple domains. Next comes to the disadvantages. Data cleaning is time consuming. Data cleaning is time consuming means preparing the data requires some significant efforts or including some missing values. This may take too much complex or too much time. Next comes sensitive to noise and errors. This means time series models can be affected by sudden fluctuations in the data, leads to an inaccurate predictions. Next comes to the last point, requires complex transformations for data and change patterns. This means when any data patterns change over time, adjustments are required. Adjustments like differentiation or any scaling are needed to be make them suitable for modeling, which can make harder to solve or too much time complexity. Next comes to the conclusion. Time series data mining help us to analyze the past trends to make better future predictions. It is widely used across many domains or across various industries and continues to evaluate with the new technologies. This time series data mining analysis can leads to better decision making and improves accuracy in forecasting. With advanced in AI and machine learning, time series forecasting is becoming more and more impact, making it an essential tool for businesses, healthcare, and environmental studies. Thank you.